Hello, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So today we are going to work on custom fonts, like how we can implement custom fonts with SwiftUI application. It is very easy as I implemented multi-language earlier. So this will be quick. So let's get started. So I'm going to create this application first. So I'm naming it custom fonts and just saving it here. Create. Yep. So now we do have this application running. Cool. So now what I want to implement few headings. Okay, I'll keep this image. So I will be implementing custom font here. For now, this is a default font. I think as SF Pro. So what I can do, if I'll go to title case and it is looking like this, font weight bold. So we have applied few modifiers. Okay, this is looking good. So now we need custom fonts. So what I'll do, I'll create one repository here. Sorry, not repository, my bad. Folder, resources, and I'm moving this asset inside this resources. I'll keep all my resources here. So now the fonts we need to apply, we need to download those fonts first. So I'll go to here on the Google and I'm going to search Google fonts. So I'm applying these fonts in one of my application. So I really like these fonts. So I'm going to search Racing Sans 1. I like the way they have created this. So little bit kind of gaming feeling, and I'm going to download it. Download all, allow. And we have downloaded it. So quickly, okay, so I do have this one. So now what we need to do, I need to copy these fonts to my project. So I'll do this one, drag it from here to here. So it will be asking copy to this destination. Yes, we are going to copy first to destination. So we have these fonts right now inside it. So what we need to do, we need to register these fonts. So what I'll do again, I'll just go to my project setting here. Inside the build setting, there will be, okay, not build setting. So here in the info field list, I will be adding one more item here. So when I'll click, I'll see font provided by the application. Yes, this is what I want. So now if I'll expand it, it is expecting the name of that particular font. And what is the name? So name is Racing Sans. And I will be copying this and adding it here. So for now we have only one item, so we will be using this one only. So now again there is one little bit work. So what I need to do, I'm just going to create one more folder called extensions, and in here I'm going to create one Swift file, not Swift view, just Swift file. So I'm saying custom fonts, all right, or Racing Sans 1. So I just gave it name, and now I want to extension of font. All right, so it is saying there is no font in the scope because we need to import SwiftUI. So this is, the error is gone. Now I will be creating static function. We can say Racing Sans. So this will be used as a modifier. So whenever we will be basically any text element or anything, so where we want to apply it, we will press dot, like inside we will apply the fonts, and in dot it will give the list of this font as well. So this extension we are going to create. So Racing Sans, and this is a function, and what it is going to return, it is going to return font. And so here, so here we need to return font dot custom. See, so it asks for name and size. So we will be giving name. So name is the same name. What do we have here in the file? So this guy. So I'm just going to copy this and pasting it, and size by default how much size you want. And we can again expect size here as well, because size, I believe it is a CG float. Yeah, yes, it is a CG float. So what I'll do, we can dynamically pass the size. So size CG float, and here we need to pass this guy size. All right. So now this is going, this is what is going to do whenever we will be calling. I'll give demo quickly, and what we can do, we can set some default size as well. So if we are not passing the size, we can set it here. So again, now if we go back to our content view, and here let's this view load. Yeah, preview is loaded now, and instead of this guy, now with font I will be calling Racing Sans. See, it is coming with two variants. One is without size and one is with size. So but default size is already 40. So see, this is applied. Very nice. This is how quick it is, and like we don't have to do a lot of things, you know, we are like in other frameworks. So it is very basic. Just keep the fonts inside the folder and then keep registered inside the info.plist, and then again where we want to call it. For calling purpose, we can create our custom modifier that I just created. It was very easy to create custom modifier, just extension, and then return the function that we want to customize. Then it will accordingly it will give the results. So these are the fonts, and if we want to apply a custom size, we can do that as well, because we already have size parameter there. So we can see, say like here 20, and see, this is working. So this is how we apply custom fonts inside the Swift, and this was very easy. I'm just going to repeat it again. So just initially I downloaded it from the browser, like whatever browser I would like. I'm using Google Fonts, and I downloaded it and just copied here inside the resources. Not here inside the resources. This is the font file, and then I went here, and inside the info we added one key value pair. So key that was provided by font provided by application C. So this is the basically key we have added. Suppose we have 10 or 20 variants of this particular font, so we can add as many as we want, because this is kind of expecting array of key value pairs. So this is where we added it, and then just created one extension. In extension we extended font, and we created one static function and return custom fonts by adding that particular font name. So this is how it works. So I hope you guys will like it, and I will be creating more videos like this one. Thank you very much. Make sure subscribe the channel. Bye bye for now.